Sorry. So it's just example 1 that you guys missed. With the x's in the usual position, one of the signs, remember our previous example, example 1 was the constant was a positive number. No. Now we have a negative number. So that means that one of the signs must be negative because of that negative 20. No. Do you guys agree? So I'm going to have x plus something and x minus something. Okay, now, number 2. Find two numbers whose product is minus 20 and whose sum will be the 8. Okay, so without looking at the paper, let's guess. 10 and 2. Okay. I think there wasn't any other options. No. 4 and 5. That's going to give me 9. Yeah. So that's not going to work. Okay. Right. Trying various combinations. So let's see. Minus 4 and 5. 4 and minus 5. 10 and minus 2. So that's how I knew it would be x plus 10 and x minus 2. Why not minus 10 plus 2? Because that's going to give me minus 8. No. Okay. So it's important to watch out for the signs. You guys see how it gets slightly more difficult. No. Okay. Then example 3. X squared plus 6x plus 8. Okay. Now both signs must be negative. Since we need a negative x as well as a positive constant. How do we get that 8? We multiply the last 2. No. And the only way to get the last 2 multiplied to give me a positive answer is when they are both negative. No. Because something like negative 4 times negative 2 will give me positive 8. Do you guys understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. So we know it will be x minus something and x minus something. Now again, find the two negative numbers whose product is 8 and whose sum is minus 6. Okay, so we try various combinations. We're going to say minus 1 and minus 8, but that's not going to give me minus 6. So then minus 4 minus 2. That will give me minus 6. So x minus 4 and x minus 2. You guys good? All right. Sorry. Example 4. X squared plus 4x minus 12. So can you see my constant is a negative number? So we must know that one of our brackets will have an x minus, no? Okay, so write the double brackets with the x's in the usual position. One of the signs must be negative because of that negative 12. Step 2. Find the two numbers whose product is minus 12 and whose sum is 4. Okay, so let's try a few combinations. 4 times minus 3. That gives me minus 12, but that's not going to give me positive 4. 6 times minus 2 gives me minus 12. Does that give me positive 4? Yes. So I know it will be x plus 6, x minus 2. You guys good? Amarach. Okay. Then, that last page, I'm not going to go through all of them. But that is something that you can maybe close the right-hand side and then try and do them on your own and then just double check is your answer correct. No? Okay, so those are just a few examples. Any questions so far? Right, so now we can go back to practicing ourselves and I want to write down a few rules.